Today I'm attempting to rebuild the PSG 2022-23 squad. Let the challenge begin. Goalkeeper. Let's see, for goalkeeper we have Donnarumma. So according to FUThead, the highest rated goalkeeper in FIFA 23 is actually Donnarumma, and he's also my favorite goalkeeper. So let's go, Donnarumma. No, not Ronaldo. I don't want you as my goalkeeper. I want Don. Aruma. Yes, it's you. Now, moving on to our defenders, we have Achraf Hakimi. So he plays for a right back. Let's see, yeah. So our defenders, he is the highest rated and he plays for a right back. So let's add Hakimi. Yo, Hakim? Yo, you mean Hakim Ziyech? Hakimi, okay. Yo, he's the fastest. 99 faced. okay, now let's see. The other goalkeepers, let's add Sergio Ramos. Sergio Ramos, let's see, he's the second highest and he plays for a center back. Sergio Ramos. So he has a 91 rated center back card. Now we have the other center back, which Marquinhos gets to place. No, to FUT birthday. No, his highest rated card is a FUT birthday. Okay, I'm just adding his 90 rated center back card. This one, the Road to the World Cup card. Wait, what? Road to the World Cup card. No way, I don't like Road to the World Cup card. Okay, then team of the year or what? Team of the week? No idea what it is. But whatever, we're adding that card. We don't like. I don't like Road to the World Cup cards. Now we have our left back. So our left back can be Nuno Mendes because Nuno Mendes does play for a left back. So let's add Nuno Mendes in. Nuno. Oh, damn it. Mendes. Yeah, let's add his Champions League card. Okay, now for a center mid, we have Verratti, which is the shortest player who ever played for PSG. And I was so surprised that it wasn't Messi. Verratti. Now for a center midfielder, let's have Fabian. For our center midfielder, actually I don't know who is the best for the right center midfielder, so I'm just gonna spin this wheel. It's gonna be Vitinha. Yeah, Vitinha. Come on, Vitinha. So I'm adding Vitinha in. So Vitinha's highest rated card is actually his 89 card, and his 87 card. Let's see all of the cards that Vitinha has. Huh? Wait, well, how do you spell his name again? Vitinha. Vitinha. So, wait, that's not him. He does have 4 cards, and let's go pick up his this card, his 89 rated card. So we're getting closer to the opponent's goal now. So let's go with our striker. Striker, let's add Kylian Mbappé. Now, for our center forwards, we're gonna add Neymar and Messi. But they're center forwards, so I'm just gonna change the formation in a 4-3-3. So I'm just gonna swap Donnarumma and Hakimi around. Yep, chemistry is all good over here. Now left wing, we have, this is left wing, but Messi plays for a right wing. So let's go check out Neymar if he has any left wing cards. Neymar does have 4 cards, but his best cards are cams. So let's go pick up his gold rare card. Actually, I noticed over here we have Donnarumma, and all of them are wearing their PSG outfits, except for Marquinhos, Hakimi, Ramos, just wearing a white shirt. Yeah, they're the ones who are not wearing their PSG shirts, and the other ones are just always wearing their PSG jerseys. Our right wing, we'll add Messi. Yo, he's a 98 rated right wing. Wait, is Messi the highest rated player? Yo, Messi's the highest rated player in FIFA 23. Wow. Yo, Modric is okay. Look at him, Messi and Pele. Wait, I'm so surprised that Kevin De Bruyne is 3rd. Why can't Kylian be in 3rd? Or Benzema? Or Zinedine Zidane? Or Ronaldo? Or Erling? And Pele has to be the first one because Pele's the best. Yeah, this is so messed up. Well, the rating is messed up, but it's so weird. Like, yeah, it's weird. So we have finished our players. Now let's add our manager. So our nation, let's see, our nation, why not we make a French? Why don't we add Christophe? So he's from France. Need our Ligue 1. So Christophe. Now here we are done with our PSG rebuild. So let's just go save this team. 30 character limit. Okay, so Paris SG. Can I do more than that? Okay, then I'll just write Paris Saint Germain. Can I have FC? Oh yeah, we can add FC. 2022. Wow. Wait, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does the space count? No idea. Okay, so let's choose an image. PSG. Save it. Okay. Verratti is I was so surprised that Verratti was the shortest player. He's 165 cm. He's 5'5". Messi's even taller than him. He's 5'7". But our tallest player is Donnarumma. He's 6'5", 196 cm. Yo, Marquinhos is also okay with this. He's 6'0". Okay, now we're finished building this squad. So now, top players, top squads. Yo, where's mine? Oh yeah, because I didn't. Okay. Yeah, so we have finished our squad. Now this is the end of this video.